Tool overfitting. Tool overfitting. Tool overfitting is when an AI model is trained or tuned to rely so heavily on external tools that its own standalone reasoning or prediction ability becomes weak. A simple way to picture it. Imagine a student who always uses a calculator, search engine, and solution manual, and never really learns the underlying math or concepts. They look smart while those tools are available, but if you take the tools away, they suddenly cannot solve even medium difficulty problems. In a retrieval augmented generation system, a language model might be tuned to always depend on a vector database for relevant documents. If evaluation only measures performance with retrieval turned on, the model can appear excellent, even if its base reasoning is fragile or it hallucinates when retrieval fails. This is similar in spirit to classic overfitting in machine learning, where models look good under narrow conditions, but generalize poorly. Tool overfitting matters because it hides whether the underlying model actually understands tasks, making systems brittle when tools are slow, unavailable, or return bad data. For reliable deployment and fair evaluation, you usually want to test both the tool-using pipeline and the bare model, so you know if performance comes from genuine capability or just clever tool wiring.